Hello, friends. This is in succession of the previous webinars we have been doing. Today, we are going to discuss a green payoff iron fly. It is a one small concept which you all need to understand. It's not a very difficult thing, and I'm just going to share my experiences with you. Standard disclaimer, this is a free education platform. We do not offer any kind of paid courses. We don't intend to change anyone investment or trading styles. All presentations under this forum are only for education purpose. None of the mentors are SEBI registered and do not guarantee results in any form. I'm only sharing my experiences with you. Please understand the concept first. Do ample back testing and a paper testing before you take a trade. Now, starting with the webinar today is what is an iron fly? Iron fly actually is known as iron butterfly option strategy. The short form is iron fly. It is a combination of four kinds of option contracts. Don't try to get into all these things. I will just simply tell you how it is known as, which together make one bull call spread and one bear put spread. Actually, this is a straddle. You sell an ATM put and a call. So this is a straddle. And you buy an equidistance call and put. So if you're buying 400 points away call, the same 400 points away put you will buy. So this is the simple way of remembering. This is an ATM straddle. You sell it and you buy an OTM call and a put, which is equidistant. Once you make an iron butterfly combination or an iron fly, the payoff graph looks like this. This is the ATM straddle. And then is the limited risk, which is the risk is limited by the OTM call and the put option, which we have bought. Now, what is the advantage? We need a very small capital. And if it expires in the range, it can give you a good profit. Best for risk averse traders, the people who are quite averse to the risk and are very scared of taking risk. It's very good strategy. The simple iron fly, the very good strategy. Now, this is a simple iron fly I had created on Bank Nifty. Now, 37,500 call and a put sold. 300 points away, both call and a put bought. That is 37,800 call and a 37,200 put was bought. The probability of profit is just 29%. And the loss is around about 2,000 rupees. And it gives a return of 1:2.6. Now, how to make this graph totally green? Always go and check the loss which is involved in the trade, in the payoff graph. In this case, this is 2,078 rupees. The screen is, anybody can confirm whether the screen is frozen or not. Somebody's saying screen is frozen. So please, okay, fine, it's going on. So in this case, the loss is 2,700 rupees. We take a round, that is 2,100 rupees, divided by the lot size, that is 25. It comes out to be around about 84 rupees, approximately 84 points in Bank Nifty. Now, next aim is to get this 84 points from the trade to make it total loss free. So if you are able to get this 84 points, your trade becomes totally loss free. Now, how to do it? The people who have attended the previous webinar of OTM selling will get it the fastest. Those who have not done that will take some time to understand it. The videos of those two sessions have been uploaded on the YouTube. You can follow the link of this video, which I will be posted in the group, and you can see from there and try to understand it. Now, we only intend to get somewhere around about 84. So today I'm going to tell you one first step. There are many other many ways to make a Ironfly payoff look green. The only and the easiest is deploy an OTM strangle around 10 days in advance. Like say if you're going for, now today is 13th of October. Now plan it for 28th of October. Which OTM strangle to be chosen has been shown in the previous video. So that is how you take out the money, these 84 points from there. Deploy Ironfly 1 day before the expiry during end trading hours. And the range of Ironfly should be somewhere around about 600 to 800 points coverage it should give you. Because you want Bank Nifty to expire in these points. And the usual movement of Bank Nifty is around about 600 to 800 points in a day. There are very less number of days where it may go even higher than 800 points. But that is our bad luck. But the range should be close to around about 800 points. Even if you check the ATR of Bank Nifty, it is close to around about 800 points. So try to make that Ironfly range like this. I will show you each and everything today. Now this is an OTM strangle we started. We started long back, 34,000 and 40,000 put and a call sold at 50 odd rupees. We closed it when it became 20 rupees. We pocketed this money. We moved in and changed our position when both the positions, after we exited from these, we entered at 41 and 48. We exited. This accidentally had an intraday position rather than putting a normal order. I did it. So I had to cut it in loss. So I entered this position 39,300 CE. Now this also gave me profit. I'm profit in these all positions. Then I kept on moving, adjusting my positions till my last positions, which are here. 39,300 CE and a 37,100 in PE. Then the trades are running even till date today. You can just note down these things. And how much money I have already made? 3,527 rupees and 50 paisa. Now this is, I made a presentation on 11th of October. So this is the payoff graph looks like that of, or the trades are position of 11th October. So Ironfly deployment I usually do post noon on Wednesday. I keep a range of nearly 600 to 800 points, the range of the maximum profit. And when I deploy an Ironfly, my payoff graph will look like this. Is on 11th of October if I had taken the trade is. It will look like this tent. This is 3,800. Again, I'm repeating it. It is 38,300 call and a put which is sold. This is an ATM straddle. And boy, 300 points away put and a 300 points away call. So this is how it looks like a payoff graph. You will all get it when you make it. Now what to do next? And let's see the payoff graph first. What is my probability of profit is 88.31%. And what is my profit? 11,265. And the range is big range. Now I will show you how an OTM strangle versus this strategy work. Check. Probability of profit, almost same. What happened to your profits? If it closes in that range, it is almost double. Now what happened to your range? Slight decrease in the range. Slight decrease in the range. And the margin extra you are paying for getting extra or doubling your profit is just 50,000 rupees. That is what is required for deployment of an iron fly. We needed only 84 points to make an iron fly green. We have nearly pocketed 180 points. So on Thursday morning, close the strangle and let the iron fly run till expiry. Your payoff will always look like this. And if it expires in between this whole range, you are making full money. So understand the concept clearly by watching the videos and the presentation before you enter in any actual trades. Don't try to jump in. I have seen many group people just jump. नहीं सर हमने तो ट्रेड लेना पैसे बनाने सर ने कॉल दे दी है. I don't give any call, so don't follow it. I'm only giving you a concept. Try to understand it. Do a lot of paper trading. Did a lot of paper trading before I actually jumped into options. Thank you. And we go on to Opstra. Today will be little extra, which I will be discussing with you. And then I will allow everybody to unmute also. Now, somebody please confirm the chat box. Is my Opstra screen seen or not seen? Yes. Okay, fine. Now, if you see the first position is October 14th strangle. And the profit is standing at 4,527 rupees. Now, this is what I was showing you. These were the last two positions, 39,300 CE and 37,100 PE. And what is my profit standing at? 4,527 rupees and 50 paisa. Now I will show you how you analyze it. This is my payoff graph. Probability of profit is close to around 95%. My maximum profit is 5,000 rupees. And I have already pocketed close to 4,500 rupees in this trade. Now, keep an eye on these two factors only. For all of you, please keep an eye on this thing. And on this range. And this is the margin which is required. So I'm deploying a iron fly here itself. So I don't know where it is. It is 14th October. 38,000 is the straddle cell here and here. 300 points. I go and buy a call. 38,300. Put, I go and buy it. And this is how my payoff graph looks like now. A range between 38,300 to 38,900. My profit is going to be what I'm usually going to make, more than that. And what is my probability of profit now? The first thing you see it. 93.15% if I don't close even my strangles. What has happened to my profit? If it closes in that 600 point, almost double. My range is almost there. My margin is this much. So profit double हो गया ना सर. अब आप जाके Thursday कल सुबह early morning जाके अपने strangles बंद कर दो. So my strangle is as 10.45 and 9.5. ये कल 10 रुपए पे ही होएगा. So let's close it at 10 and close this is at 9 rupees. I don't know ये कहाँ पे बंद होते हैं. I have no idea. Now see my payoff graph. I don't need to look at it. Now you see what is my range, 38,300 to 38,900. 600 points. Anywhere in between this closes, I make more than what I am going to make profit usually. And see, my probability of profit is almost 100%. And margin required is 48,943 rupees. What I did was, if I just show you, this is what I did, 38,600, a call and a put sale. अब ये स्टैंडर्ड आयरन फ्लाई बन गई. अब इस आयरन फ्लाई में ये जो रेड जोन हटाने के लिए आई हैव नीड 1,841 rupees to be taken out. That means approximately, I say 2,000 rupees divided by 25 is 80 points. This is our target. And how much we took out from here? 4,500 divided by 25. Close to 180 points we have taken out from this trade. So we started with an OTM strangle that is far off, as we had discussed in the previous webinar. Now on the last day, to increase the profit, we deployed an iron fly. And this iron fly is going to double our profit if it closes in that 600 points. God forbid if it crosses it, our more or less our profit is more or less clear. We are not going to lose more than 500 rupees of the total profit we have already made. Let me show you how it happens. Now we have already booked 4,551 rupees, 4,500 rupees. Now if we come onto the lower part of the graph, we will still make 3,900 rupees approximately. And vis-a-vis, if we close in between, we are going to make 10,000 rupees extra. So your profit may get reduced by 600 points, 600 rupees. But if it closes anywhere between 600 points, you are going to make more than what you have already made. तो इतना रिस्क तो लेना बनता ही है ना मार्केट में. कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो गया अब?